This place here has recently been renovated. Looks nice, fresh colors, good carpentry, or so it seems. If we look at the details here and there, makes you wonder what happened. They are unable to put back the light diffusers so that they lie flat. I don't think you need a degree in mechanical engineering to get that managed. Carpentry comes with some strange features sometimes. Wondering what the purpose of this corner here is that's sticking out from the surface this much for a good length of this project, with the nails showing and sticking out like so, just like that. Nail head. Whereas on the other side, yes, sometimes the wall is crooked, I get it, but on the other side this lies perfectly flat all the way down to the corner, and just this far away it doesn't. Yeah, the wall is not crooked this much over a length of this distance. No, this one is out. There. All the way up. All the way up about here, head height. But the biggest fail is visible on this door here. It's got a left hand side and a right hand side wings on this door. Looks like the panic hardware is mounted on it nicely with the bars, vertical bars parallel, and the push bars horizontal and aligned. So far so good. The tops of the doors line up, kinda, close enough, but something is puzzling at the bottom of the door here. Makes me wonder, what is this step for in the height of the wood in the lower half of the door here? You see, this piece has a width of this much. This piece here also has the same width here, but this door was made and cut too short. They proceeded to build it, they proceeded to mount the glass in it, they brought it to site, and they decided to install it with a piece of wood that doesn't even closely match the original color of the door. They didn't try to stain it or paint it or blend it in. They picked a piece of wood that's too narrow in the first place, so they had to double it. And the piece of wood has two different colors, so it sticks out. This one has some fungus rot in it, and this one is clear. One fungus rot and clear, and doubled up, like so. It's also narrower than the original thickness of the door. Same from the inside, same from the outside. Right here at the bottom, where it always gets wet. It extends all the way to the outside. Fantastic installation. So, what do you do with your life when you failed as a carpenter? There are also some lesser trim item deficiencies as well, such as removing of this green tape should have been done before the glass was in place. But the question remains, what do you do with your life when you failed multiple times?